Hello, hello, hello. So, Dr. Dale here. Welcome to, is this the first day of May? First Monday of May? I think it is. So, welcome to May. Welcome to May. May, we're pretty much at the cusp of the middle of the year. The months, the days, the hours, everything is going fast. So, it's best that we take advantage of every opportunity that comes our way. So with that being said, I pray your day is going amazing. I think it's almost 10, 11 o'clock or something like that in the morning. I pray your day is going great. And if it's not, give it a few more minutes. Focus on something beautiful that you're looking forward to and let that be your happiness for today. Okay? That's your positive vibe and affirmation for today. Focus on something positive. So I wanted to pop in here just for a little bit, just to say, one, welcome to May, and two, that, kind of remind you of how things are going as it relates to the year. The year is moving, everything is moving, and everything is always busy. We seem to be always busy. Haven't you noticed that? We're always busy with something. I don't know, work, family life, kids, all the above, traveling, vacation. But it's a beautiful thing, right? It's a beautiful thing. So don't mind me here. I just finished doing a little bit of running, and I don't run every day. I run 3 times maybe. I just started working out again. I used to work out every now and then, but now I work out a little bit more since I was over there in Honduras. A friend of mine, Christy, shout out to my girl Christy Dilbert. She gave me inspiration with doing a little bit more heavy lifting on the weight side of things. So I started lifting a lot more heavier weights, and it helps. It definitely, they say that when she told me that lifting heavy weights makes you lose weight faster, I was like, I'm down. I'm down. So anyways, giving you guys updates on me. I wanted to remind you guys, mind you guys that today, this month is mainly focused sometimes on mental health month. This is May Mental Health Month, in case you don't know, right? And all of us, need someone to be there to comfort, guide us, counselors at some point in time in our life. If you're human like I am, not all of us like to admit that. If you're human like I am, I'm very much in tune with my emotions, because emotional intelligence doctor here. So my feelings, my emotions, very much in tune with it, sometimes a little bit too much. And May is mental health month, and also focus on Mother's Day. Don't worry about that. That's the major rail running, passing by. So Mother's Day, right? Mother's Day is actually next Sunday. And then June is quickly becoming Father's Day, right? And I think there's another holiday in June. I can't remember right now. And what else? And then we have Juneteenth, which is June 19th. I think that's the other holiday, which is also a very memorable day for African American BIPOC community. And so wanted to kind of let you guys know what all of these different types of holidays that are coming up, all of them center around relationships. Have you noticed that? Relationships, people, you, me, our mom, our dad, our sons and daughters and grandparents and friends and cousins, those friends that we consider family, right? So with that being said, just to let you guys know, I've started last year. I did it for the very first time, and this year, backed by popular demand, I've been getting individuals, previous clients of mine, asking for it again and again. And I finally, just 2 weeks ago, decided to do my other group coaching. But this time, it's not going to be focused on all of the different levels of emotional intelligence, right? It's going to be focused on relationships, mending broken bonds, mending, reconnecting, reconciling broken bonds between friends, between siblings, between parents, all of the above. If there's a relationship, between all of the relationships, and it will even help you in your professional relationships, right? at your work, at church, and these different types of environments that we're in groups, right? So if that's something you're interested in, my group coaching is afoot. So it's starting June 19th. It's Juneteenth. I did Juneteenth, that's right. It starts Juneteenth all the way through. It's only for 8 weeks. I'm not 12 weeks like I did last year. Only for 8 weeks, which is 8 weeks, which is 2 months. Dos meses, right? And since it's only for 8 weeks, we're going to be very focused on those different parts of relationship: effective communication, conflict resolution, how to reconcile a relationship that was broken, and how do you approach that, what to say, how to approach it to make it better, and not come with your feelings in hand, but come with a little bit more empathy, right? Lead with empathy, right? So that's what it's all about. That's what the focus is. I wanted to pop in here and let you guys know I just posted it. I'll put the link in the comment below so you guys can visit the landing page and you guys can get in on this, right? It's only for 8 weeks. It's very, very much cost effective. Last year, I think I had my group coaching for 12 weeks, and it was all of the different parts of emotional intelligence, and it was about $600-700. It's way less than that. Way less than that this time around, because it's only for 2 months and it's only focused on one area. So if you know somebody that is interested, that may need it, just send them this link. Send them this link, and or maybe you need it, you know, and get some tips, some actionable tips, because I'm not gonna give you stuff and you go and practice. You're gonna practice right then and there in the group coaching, right? And I'll tell you right now, one thing that when I finished the group coaching, all of the clients, everybody had the same theme over and over. They're like, we are so glad. One, that was uncomfortable on how it was going to work in a group, and quickly from the very first meeting we had, it was, man, this is pretty good. And the resounding theme was, I did not know that there were other people out there feeling and thinking the same things that I was. And it was big gaps. I had people in there that was at 25, 24, 20 years old, and I had individuals that were over 70. And to think that as big as a gap as that age group was, they still had things in common, and we still learn from each other. So I welcome you to my group coaching that is starting in Juneteenth. So you need to sign up now, because if you sign up now, you get a discount before the end of this month. So I'll put the link below. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the group coaching. But I'll be kind of letting you guys know as weeks go by. Reminder. So continue to listen for more tips on my group coaching that's coming up on reconnecting, rebuilding, and reconciling bonds with your friends and family. Okay, bye.